Hello guys, how are you doing today? Today we are going to be reviewing this truck as well as this truck. This one's already out of the box. We're just going to be starting with this one. This one's just basically a remaster of the old, I think it's called the Garbage King, or the old Garbage King. It's just in a different color and different paint schemes and everything. This one, in a way, is a remaster. It's got the same cab as the truck with the, like, I don't even know what you would call it, like that road truck, but it's new. It's got a new body, so I guess you could call that new. So we'll start with this. So first of all, the bin, it comes off. That's pretty cool. This goes up and down. This, it goes all the way up there and stuff. But also, the bed goes all the way up. And it locks. And you've also got that back part, so it does that. So, yeah. But, anyway, there's the front. There's that. So that's pretty nice. But now time for the working rigs truck. These are both working rigs. This one's still in the box. I'm gonna find a way to set the camera up so that I can actually unbox this and you guys can see it. So yeah. Okay guys, so here we go. We're gonna go ahead and open this. Sorry if it's a bit hard to see on camera. I'm sorry about that. Okay, sorry about that guys. I'm back. Yeah. But, anyway, here it comes. It's a very neat vehicle. I really think it's pretty cool. So I haven't fully seen this. Oh, that's cool. I didn't actually know that this goes up and down, but it does. So, this goes up and down. This goes up and down too. Now this crane. This is the main reason I got this. Because around this area of southeastern Ohio, we have a lot of these kind of trucks. Like specifically these kinds. The DOT around here uses a ton of trucks like this, the same cab and this design. So Southeast Ohio, we use a lot of these because, I mean, we just do. I'm not sure why. I guess they're cheaper. I think they there's a company in Southeast Ohio that like specifically makes these kinds, or there's like, I don't know, but this also spins all the way around, so that's neat. I'm not sure which way does it. I don't know if it's supposed to go like back up here forwards, or I suppose it's supposed to just go like that, I guess, maybe. I'm not too sure. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.